Good morning, students. Let's begin with our new lesson of main course book, that is fifth lesson, The Summit Within. Summit means peak, okay, mountain peak. And all of you know that Everest is the highest peak in the world. Its height is 8848 meters. Okay? The highest peak in the world. So, a number of attempts have been failed, and you very well know that who was the first person to reach or to scale the mountain. To scale the mountain means to climb successfully. So, Edmund Hillary, Tenzing, all you know their names. But Major HPS Ahluwalia is the person from India. He was a member of first successful mission which has been conducted in 1965. Okay? Mountaineering is a skill which requires many qualities. ऐसे ही हर कोई नहीं चल सकता. It is not an ordinary mountain. The temperature remains under minus, isn't it? So, mountaineering requires endurance, persistence and willpower. Endurance is something that gives us courage, and persistence and endurance, they are the power and means endurance that enable us to fight and survive in difficult situations. They do not let us let the things go away. हमें कोई चीज़ छोड़ने नहीं देती अगर हम में एंड्योरेंस है, विल पावर है और परसिस्टेंस है. वी विल बी एबल टू complete the task or the assignment which we have taken, isn't it? चाहे कितनी भी मुश्किलें आ जाए, अगर हम उसको एंड्योरेंस, परसिस्टेंस और विल पावर इन तीनों के साथ करते हैं, तब हमें कोई भी सक्सेसफुल होने से नहीं रोक सकता. चाहे कितनी भी मुश्किलें आ जाए, दे डू नॉट लेट गिव अवे. हमें कोई चीज़ें छोड़ने नहीं देती हैं अगर हमें ये तीनों क्वालिटीज़ हैं. एंड मेजर HPS Ahluwalia along with his friends, they scaled Mount Everest with Fudorji and Rawat. He won many national and international awards, including Padma Bhushan, Arjun Award and National Award for the best work done in the field of disability. Okay? He also won the Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award for lifetime achievement. He has written several books like Everest, Beyond the Himalayas, Everest is Within You, and Higher Than Everest. Actually, it is an autobiographical anecdote. Autobiographical means this story is all about himself. He is narrating his own experience, lifetime experience in his own language. Therefore, we call it autobiographical note. There is a difference between autobiography and biography. Okay? Autobiography is written by one for himself, and biography is written by someone else on the account of someone else's life. Okay? So, through this lesson, we are going to learn about Everest and the difficulty it has imposed on the mountaineers and how successfully they overcome. Okay? So, let's begin the lesson. I have sent you mind map and PPT, so go through them and watch the video carefully. Of all the emotions which surged through me as I stood on the summit of Everest, looking over miles panorama below us, the dominant one, I think, was humility. The physical in me seemed to say, "Thank God it's all over." However, instead of being jubilant, there was a tinge of sadness. Was it because I had already done the ultimate in climbing and there would be nothing higher to climb and all roads thereafter would lead down? Author के सामने अब मुश्किल क्या थी? He was facing the sudden and intense emotion when he reached to the highest peak, that is Everest. When he stood there, when he reached at the summit of Everest, there was a panoramic view below him. सबसे ऊपर की पोजीशन पे था वो. He was standing at the highest peak and he knew that all the places now would be leading him down, isn't it? So, though he was very extraordinarily happy, jubilant, extraordinary happiness, okay, but there was a blend of sadness in his heart. And why he was sad? Because now all the roads would be leading him to the down. वो उसको अब हर चीज, हर रोड उसको नीचे ले जाएगी, because he had already scaled the highest peak. Okay. Now, because he had achieved the ultimate destination of the world. Because all the roads, all the ways, all the paths would be leading him down only. By climbing the summit of Everest, you are overwhelmed by a deep sense of joy and thankfulness. It is a joy which lasts a lifetime. The experience changes you completely. The man who has been to mountains is never the same again. He himself has experienced a number of changes. Fine. When you read what he is saying, कि जब हम एवरेस्ट पर या माउंटेन पर चढ़ते हैं, और स्पेशली एवरेस्ट पर जब उसने स्केल कर लिया, he had climbed Mount Everest, तो वो कह रहे हैं, ऑथर कह रहे हैं, you are overwhelmed, मतलब खुशी beyond of joy, you remain extraordinarily happy and you express your thanks to God. It is a joy which lasts a lifetime. वो एक ऐसी हैप्पीनेस है, एक ऐसा जॉय है which remains lifetime. Okay? The experience changes anyone completely. The one who reaches to Mount Everest. पूरी तरह से इंसान बदल जाता है. कैसे? The man who has been to the mountains is never the same. जो एक बार माउंटेन्स पर चला जाता है, स्पेशली माउंट एवरेस्ट पर, he never remains the same. As I look back at life after climbing Everest, I cannot help remarking about the other summit. the summit of mind, no less formidable and no easier to climb. What he is talking about now? क्या कह रहे हैं ऑथर कि when he is looking back at life, अब जब वो अपनी लाइफ के बारे में देख रहे हैं, फ्लैशबैक में जा रहे हैं कि अपनी लाइफ कैसे उन्होंने स्पेंड की, he cannot help remarking about the other summit because people face different summits. केवल माउंट एवरेस्ट ही नहीं है, फिजिकल समिट ही नहीं है, देयर इज एन अनदर समिट विच इज इन अवर माइंड, समिट ऑफ माइंड. उस पर उसका क्या, वी हैव टू स्केल इट ऑल्सो. नो लेस फॉर्मिडेबल एंड नो ईजियर टू क्लाइंब. ये भी उतनी आसान नहीं है, नो लेस फॉर्मिडेबल. ओके, सो it is not easier, no formidable, because it is the more difficult task than the physical climb of Mount Everest or any other mount. Having a win over our mind and soul is more difficult than going for a physical climb to mountains or Everest. I hope you are getting what the author wants to convey. Physical climb में हमें ये qualities चाहिए, endurance, persistence, willpower. But what about the climb of the mind and soul? They are more difficult, equally difficult, more difficult than. They are not easier to climb. Means वो कह रहे हैं अपने दिल और दिमाग पर विजय पाना भी उतना आसान नहीं है. ओके, सो आई होप you have understood what has been given to you today through mind map and PPT. Go through it and watch the video attentively.